Well, this is what I would say to them. I would ask them, what is real music? And when they fail to supply me with a sufficient answer, because they won't be able to answer that question, I would then start by saying this. Look, all music is art. Art is subjective. Subjective means that I might like a piece of art that you don't like. And the only thing that changes that piece of art is that I like it and you don't like it. So it's just in our opinion. So what I mean by that is this: there's no good art, there's no bad art, which means there's no good songs and there's no bad songs. There's songs you like, and because you like them, you find them to be good, but someone else might not like that song, so they will not find that song to be good because they don't like it. So in the same way, I can say, okay, look at my thumb. I think my thumb is awesome. I've had my thumb my whole life. It's grown with me. It's a great thumb. It's played a lot of video games. It's plucked a lot of guitar strings. It's a great thumb. Now, for someone else, they'd be like, well, listen, the way your thumb curls up at the top, I don't like it. Well, guess what? That's your opinion. This thumb is the art. It's my biological art, and I happen to like it because it's mine, so I'm biased to liking it. So maybe because you played this video game, you like the music more because you played it, so you're biased to liking it. Someone who doesn't like it, maybe they haven't played the game, or maybe they have, and they just don't like it. Everyone has different opinions. No one's opinion is worth more than anyone else's. Everyone has their opinion. No one's right or wrong. It's just art. That is what I would say. So the message is, listen to the music you like and you love. And like when someone tells you it's bad, you can just know that that's their opinion. And their opinion is not worth more than your opinion. If your opinion is you like it and it makes you feel good, well then go listen to it. That's my message. Listen to what feels good inside. Listen to what lights you up. Oh yeah, come on now. Let's drop this heavy thing.